Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator collapsed into the negative area. Bitcoin has added 5.9% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has skyrocketed into the overbought area. The price of gold has gained 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI shifted into the negative area. The price of crude oil has added 6.9% in the last 2 sessions. The stochastic RSI has cooled down and is currently positive.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The Federal Reserve kept interest rates pinned near zero and promised to keep them there until inflation is on track to exceed the U.S. Central Bank's inflation target. A leaked version of rules to be issued later this month by the European Commission proposes an all-encompassing set of regulations covering the trading or issuance of digital assets. The New Zealand dollar is strengthening against the greenback as the country prepares for its worst GDP numbers in history.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German PPI will be released at 400 GMT, the UK retail sales at 400 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 600 GMT, the Canadian retail sales at 1030 GMT, the Canadian wholesale sales at 1030 GMT, and the U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.